how to remove a song from an Instagram post. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove songs or music from your Instagram post within the Instagram app on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So Instagram has not given us a way to directly turn off or remove a song from a post. So in order to do this, we need to use a workaround. And that workaround is going to be first to select the actual post with the music, then select the three dots in the top right of the post. And the only way to remove it is to add a partnership label. So if you go into this menu and you do not see partnership label, that's because your account is a personal account and you need to make your account a professional account in order to do this. So to switch to a professional account from your profile here, go up in the top right, select the three lines to open the settings, then scroll down until we see for professionals and you'll see account type and tools. From there, simply select switch to professional account and then select next. Then select what type of professional you want to be. You can display it on your profile, but if you don't want to, you can toggle that off. Then select switch to professional account. Here I recommend switching to a creator. If you're a business, you can switch to business, but I'm just going to select next. And then I'll select not now. And then you could select the X in the top right. From there, go back to the post. You may have to close and then reopen Instagram, but go back to the post, select the three dots in the top right, and then you should be able to find partnership label. When you first open that, it's going to go through some steps with you to set up branding, things like that. So go through those steps. And then all you need to do is select add paid partnership and then select done. And when you do that, the music will be gone and it no longer plays. There's no option for audio, nothing like that, because we've now removed that song from this Instagram post. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.